Hi 8th class students, how are you? I am here to teach you physics. We already completed a lesson in physics, that is force and pressure. Now we are going to learn a new chapter, that is friction. Do you know about friction? You might have seen a driver of a car or a truck slowing down the vehicle at a traffic signal. You too slow down your bicycle whenever needed by applying brakes. Have you ever thought why a vehicle slows down when brakes are applied? Not only vehicles, any object moving over the surface of another object slows down when no internal force is applied on it. Have you not seen a moving ball on the ground stopping after some time? Why do you slip when you step on a banana peel? Why is it difficult to walk on a smooth or a wet floor? You will find the answers to such questions in this chapter. Let us do one activity. For this activity, you should have one book and table. Place the book on a table. Gently push a book on the table. You observe that it stops after moving for some distance. Repeat this activity pushing the book from opposite direction. Does the book stop this time also? Can you think of an explanation? Can we say that a force must be acting on a book opposing its motion? This force is called force of friction. What is frictional force? The friction will opposes the relative motion between the two bodies which are in contact. Here the two bodies are table and the book. You saw that if you apply the force along the left direction, the frictional acts along the right direction. If you apply the force along the right direction, the frictional force acts along the left direction. In both cases, the force opposes the motion of the book. The force of friction always opposes the applied force. Applied force means force applied by you with your hand. In this activity, the force of friction acts between the surface of the book and the surface of the table. Why? Because they are in contact with each other. Is this friction the same for all the surfaces? Does it depend upon smoothness of a surface? We will learn this in your next video. Thank you.